Einstein's Entertainers Planting a Seed Kit video guide. From your seed kit you will need the soil, the paper pot, your seeds and your pipette. In this kit we have sunflower seeds. First off, you're going to need the soil bag. This is because we want to get rid of all of the lumps inside of the soil to make it easier for the seed's roots to grow. Once you've done this, you're going to want to fill your little paper pot half filled with the soil and then pat it down a little. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your seeds out. Now, as I said, these are sunflower seeds that we're using today. And can you see that at the top we've got a pointy bit and then right down at the bottom we've got a round bottom bit. So you're going to want to put your seed in with the pointy bit facing towards the sky. Now, as you can see, I've put my seed in right in the middle of the pot. Now, once you've done this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a little bit more soil on top, just a little light dusting. And then once you've done that, pat it down again. Now, plants need sunlight, so you should put your seed onto a windowsill. But they also need water. So with your pipette, you should give it 1 pipette full of water every single day. But because today is the first day, you should give it 4 pipettes full of water. And then within a week, you should start to see it growing. And within 2 to 3 weeks, it should look as tall as these other ones I have.